We are in Bengal for last over 100 years. We have major investments in jute industry, in IT, in tea estates. We also do real estate. Our major strength lies in our jute mills here. We have employment over almost 60, 77 people. We are quite satisfied with the working of our industry. See, our experience has always been good. We had some troubled time maybe about 7, 8, 10 years back. Earlier, there was a lot of militancy, but we don't find that now. Recently, I'll narrate an incident where one of the general manager had a problem in another jute mill, but the government, headed by 4 cabinet ministers, state cabinet ministers, they all came forward, and the chief minister had herself monitored the whole situation. They had a meeting with unions and mill owners. In my experience for the last 25, 30, 40 years, I have never come across such early action, such preemptive actions by the government. As I explained to you, that this government is proactive. We have seen in the last 2, 3 years, any issue, any problem we have, even before we approach the government, we find that the government is prompt in calling us, trying to discover a problem, and also give some solutions. Recently, we have been to Singapore, and we have seen the kind of response the chief minister got from the industrial friends, from the corporate houses, as well as from the investments which have been committed in Singapore. So, experience, in fact, it is all about the action which the government is taking. And it looks like we are going to have positive results in time to come. Bengal has a lot of locational advantage. We have the best ports. We have a good labor force. People coming from Bihar, from Odisha, from Assam. I feel this will become strength of Bengal in time to come. Laborers are not available in other states, other parts of the country. Bengal has an inherent advantage. I personally feel that this is going to be a boom for Bengal, as well as for the industries and for the people at large. We have already announced that in Singapore. We have invited every person. In fact, with the CM's approach and endeavors, we ourselves has found one equity partner who has bought over 50% stake of our company, IT company, and we are getting proposals. People are becoming inquisitive to work here, to understand more about Bengal. We are trying to work out with the negative perception which was formed not only in India, but overseas also. It may take some time, but we'll surely get results.